A pretty cool new little app. Basically, you pick a song and it'll figure out the chords. Neat, huh? And you can play.
Need more friends with wings. All the angels I know put concrete in my veins. I'd always walk home alone, so I became lifeless, just like my telephone. There's nothing to.
I thought it was pretty cool. I don't know whether it figures out the chords, or it's, reading tab from somewhere. I'm not sure. But you can see on the left here, there's certain options like adjusting the tempo, the volume, and you can transpose. I'm not sure what that melody suppression feature does, but pretty good. Pretty good. Staff notation, if you want to see what the chords look like on a piano. That's nifty. Let's see. Yeah. Let's go back to the beginning and see if it... Yeah, that's pretty neat. Shows you the
There's nothing to lose. Oh, and no one knows your name. There's nothing to gain, but the days don't seem to change.
Yeah, very nifty.